Jubera. My school name is Sri Gurudaya Public School. I'm studying second class. Our school principal's name is Nagarjuna sir. Our school director's name is Venkat sir. Our class teacher name is B. Monica madam. Now I am going to explain my project. My project name is types of pollution. Water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. Water pollution, rivers, canals, lakes, and ponds. This is air pollution. Smoke from factories, vehicles. This is land pollution.
Madam, please.
Waste in public places. This is noise pollution. Loudspeakers, music system. Thank you everyone.